In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit in Elementor with WordPress. If you've ever wanted to create a visually stunning website without needing to touch a single line of code, then Elementor is the perfect tool for you. It's a powerful, user-friendly page builder that integrates seamlessly with WordPress, and today we'll walk through the essential steps to get you started with editing and designing your website like a pro. First, make sure you have Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress site. You can find it by navigating to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Once there, click Add New, type Elementor in the search bar, and install it. If you've got that all set, let's move on to building your page. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and click on Pages, then Add New. You'll be creating a fresh page to work with. When you're on the new page, you'll notice an option that says, Edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click on that, and it will load the Elementor editor. This is where the magic starts. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel full of widgets. These are the building blocks you can use to design your page. You'll find text boxes, image galleries, video embeds, buttons, and more. To add a widget to your page, simply drag and drop it onto your workspace to the right. It's as easy as pie. Let's craft a simple layout. Begin by dragging a section widget onto the page. You'll be prompted to choose a structure for the section. Pick a layout that suits your needs, such as a single column or a multi-column layout, depending on how you want to arrange your content. Once your structure is set, you can drag other widgets like headings, text, or images into these columns. To customize any widget, click on it, and a settings panel will appear on the left. Here, you can change the text, adjust colors, tweak typography, and even add links. It's incredibly intuitive, so feel free to play around until you get the look that you want. Remember, you can always use the Undo button if you make a mistake. Now, if you want to experiment with more advanced features, Elementor has a Style and Advanced tab for each widget. The Style tab allows you to control visual elements, such as colors and margins, while the Advanced tab gives you even more control over the layout, spacing, and responsive settings. Before wrapping up, preview your page to see how it looks by clicking the eye icon at the bottom of the screen. If everything is in good shape, go ahead and click the Publish button, or Update if you're editing an existing page. And there you have it. You've just edited a page with Elementor on WordPress. As you continue to explore Elementor, you'll uncover more features and capabilities that will enable you to design stunning, professional-looking websites with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!